Welcome to another video. It's Friday, guys. David Pinto here. They also call me Tips with Dave. And as usual on Sunday, did I say Friday before? I'm sorry, I meant Sunday. It's a beautiful Sunday today, and honestly, you're gonna get from me in this video a few things. The first and is the weekly withdrawal that we do every single week. Okay, so on a Sunday, basically, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this kind of machine for yourself where every single Sunday becomes a joy day for you, where you can withdraw some funds, you can make a machine work for you, and actually have a business up and running if you want to. Okay, now, do I guarantee any results? No. One of the first things that I will tell anybody who's working with me is that you do have to put in the work, you do have to understand the system, and you do have to follow the plan consistently. I keep things really simple, but at the same time, it does depend on the work ethic that you have. So I can't rely on any results for you, but for me, for example, I'm going to definitely give you guys some proof that it does work. The system has been working for me, and over the last 2 months, just on these videos itself, you can see withdrawal proof every single week from myself. So go ahead, it's up to you whether you want to believe in it, whether you want to actually get started. If you do want to get started with the pro system, is what I call it, I've built it myself, then the link is in the description of this video. Okay, other than that, if you're interested in anything else that I have, all the links are in the description. Feel free to reach out to me on any platform as well. Okay, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video, the main core elements we're going to talk about. I am going to give you guys some updates on Future Adpro. So this might be the last time that you actually see this page right in front of you. I am waiting for the actual official communication when the new Future Adpro, or let's say Future Adpro 2.0, will actually begin. Now, there are a few reasons why this is going to happen. FutureNet is a solid company, being online, actually been in business for the last 6 years, has 3 main streams of income and other 12 to 13 other streams of income within itself that you can leverage. One of them is Future Adpro. Okay, one of them is Future Adpro, and this is what we're focusing on right now. But FutureNet is a big element of my system, the pro system. So you will find out more of how we use it, and in fact, this is going to be one of a tutorial. Basically, if you're on these withdrawal videos every single week, you'll see how I do run my business, and it's all about consistency, guys. It's all about doing it week after week, and if you prove it, that you do it week after week, you will start to see results. People will start to reach out to you, and you'll get more recognition where you deserve. Okay, remember, we're setting the foundations for a long-term business. We're not here to just join any random income stream, but we're here to set up a long-term business. Okay, like I said, Future Adpro has had now almost 3 years online. Okay, almost 3 years online, and it is doing phenomenally well. Definitely, there are a lot more users on Future Adpro because it's proven itself to be sustainable and already gone past the lifespan of a advertising revenue sharing platform, as well as for the real fact that it has actual revenue streams besides the ad packs that you're purchasing. Okay, definitely it's advertising over here, but the revenue also is shared between the other streams of income that you have, which is why it's so amazing to have Future Adpro running for us for this long time. That being said, they are moving to a different server. They are moving to a different system to make it faster. There are going to be updates where you need to buy Futuro coin, which is going to be beneficial again for us because we are mining Futuro coin. If you want to know more about that, subscribe to my channel, look at my channel. You will see more about Futuro coin as well. Okay, and so there are many updates, and this is the system that they're using at the moment, but they're testing in the beta testing with all the members of the current Future Adpro. So there's a beta link for all the members currently of Future Adpro that they can use in order to test and give feedback on what works and what is not working and how to get things up and running. They're just demo accounts, so you will have about 70,000 US dollars there, but that's not real money, obviously. That is something that just shows to test it out, and they're being very transparent about it. This is in the testing phase. So it might change. It'll be much more. Let me try to actually get it for you guys. I had it just some time ago, but let's try to find it with my dear friend Steve Lawson's link. Okay, let's just try to get on the Future Ad Pro. So I'm definitely need to go quite a bit back because I'm sure that it's not, he posts a lot and it's not recent. So as you can see, this is, I mean, added proof that FutureNet works. Steve Lawson is like taking out, again, around 4,000, $3,000 to 4,000 US dollars every single week. This is the matrix, guys. Every single week from Future Ad Pro. I forgot the main link of the testing link, the beta link. So that's why I'm trying to just look on his page because I'm sure that he has put it up. But let's just take a look. Yeah, that's it right here. So let's try to enter. Now I can log in with my current, as you can see, it's help us test a new version of Adpro. Okay, so I'm going to log in with my current password, which is fine, you can. Okay, I'm going to log in that way. Let's log in. As you can see, there is the watch. This is going to be the new Future Adpro. So when I'm going to be doing withdrawals soon, you'll see that it's going to be different compared to this. Now I am going to be testing this out. As you can see, there's a lot of money in the account, but it's just to test the actual version. So when you create an ad, how you want to create an ad, as you can see right here, there'll be different kinds of ads that are going to be there. Landing pages, business is here. You can check your team. You can check different things that are going on in your business. You can check your payouts, for example, ranking and support. There's a lot of amazing features if you look at the demo version, as you can see right here. Okay, I'm going to be testing this out much more just to have an idea of how things work. But this is the reason why I wanted to show you guys and tell you that this might be a last few times. I'm not sure when they will transfer completely to the new Future Ad Pro, but this is for now. There are some kind of transition phase that is happening right now. Okay, that's a bit of an update on Future Ad Pro. As you can see, I got 62 ad packs. The earnings are a bit slower these days. Let me just go through and show you. I've got over $13,153 US this so far. But if I scroll down and I want to just show you the commissions per day, you can see that usually it's around 25, but then it jumped down to 23 for some days, and it went down to 17 for another day, then 20, then 15, then 23, and now it seems like it's running back up. So obviously, like I said, income is never guaranteed from Future Ad Pro. It completely depends on the revenue of the company. So the only thing that they promise is that your ad pack will expire. They don't say in how many days it should be or anything else, but it will expire when it reaches 120 ad packs. Sorry, 120 US dollars. Okay, so that's about it. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you my strategy first. So I have in the Pro system, which you can find the link down in the description below. Okay, two main elements. Okay, which is the reason why I'm going to talk to you about this. Okay, there's 30% I take out of my main primary business, which is Easy One Up, and $60 US every single week. Whenever I make a sale in Easy One Up, I do this. I take out some cash and I put it into traffic. Okay, and whenever I take out $60 US, I do the same. I put it into traffic every single week. Now, what this traffic does is that it will promote the Pro system. And in the Pro system, it has both these elements that are promoted there. So it's a win-win for me. The moment I get sales here, it increases this budget, and then I have this machine working for me. So as I said, you can plug in and play literally if you do this the right way. Okay, consistency is the key, guys. Consistency is the key. I just want to show you the Pro system a little bit. Once you go through all the elements and you click on this video, you're going to see the whole plan of how I lay it out, what it is, what you need in general to make a business work for you. And if you want to join Easy One Up, then you can click here and you will basically get the videos for Easy One Up, for my plan right here, and the traffic sources that I use, because this is the actual world. Now, the second thing that you can see is crypto world right here, and it depends on you if you want to get started with cryptocurrency or you just want to stay with the plan that we have in place right now. So I'm going to go to the exchange on CoinDeal. I want to show you that I had in my wallet zero, basically less than 15 cents. or 15 cents. But I want to go to wallet details and show you also that I have withdrawn yesterday around 200 and something worth of Bitcoin from my CoinDeal account to my blockchain, so that I can then further put it into traffic and follow this exact plan. Okay, this is what I do, guys. Every single week I wait for it. Now this much is enough for a month's worth of traffic for me. Okay, so I already have October sorted out, set up for me, because it's a month's worth of traffic. Now this starts the weekly withdrawal for October, basically. Okay, I get weekly withdrawal. By the end of the October, I have enough for November, and this is how the cycle continuously goes on and on and on. And in fact, let me just go to payouts and show you guys that I have been withdrawing every single week, including the amount that you saw in CoinDeal that arrived. That is this day right here. It arrived. Next day, I withdrew it. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I've totally withdrawn $1,739 from Future Adpro, and if I scroll down, you'll see every single week that there are withdrawals. Okay. Not ashamed to say it, not ashamed to show it. This is what it is, week after week. I keep doing this, guys. It's non-stop, and it's because of the fact that I have this plan in place. It's a machine. It literally is a plug-and-play machine. Once you have it working for you, you don't need to worry about anything. You just keep doing it week after week after week. Okay, that's how simple the plan is. Stay consistent and you'll see results. So let's go ahead and actually withdraw, as I said, $60 this week, because I have 100 right now in my account. So let's go ahead and click on business. Let's click on payout, and let's click here 60, and I want to withdraw it in Bitcoin on CoinDeal. If you're in the US and you will not be able to use CoinDeal, you'll have to use Bitcoin right here, but that's up to you on how you deal with it. Okay, that's just the way it is for now. CoinDeal is really helping us, but for those who are in the US, unfortunately, there's quite a high fee involved. So I would wait till you reach a good amount before you actually withdraw any amount from Future Adpro. So let's click on deposit funds and get this link right here. So we copied the address to the clipboard, we put it right there, and as you can see, address. Let's type in my amount right here. As you can see, 60 Bitcoin, and we're just checking that I put in all the details. And let's click payout. Confirm. Agree. So you must wait 7 days after change. Important. I didn't change anything. It's the same address. I've done this every single week. It's the first time that is happening to me. So let's try again, guys. I'm not changing anything. Go to deposit, copy. It's the address back here. Not changing anything. So it is Bitcoin. Yeah. Payout. Confirm. Agree. You must wait 7 days after change important data to order payout. Expired date is 6th of October, which would be Thursday, guys. So as I can see, there might be an issue for a simple reason, is that usually, let's check this out. So usually I request a payout every single week and there's no issue. 23rd is already 7 days, so I'm not sure why there's going to be, maybe because you got accepted late or something like that, there's an issue. But I don't see honestly a problem why the payout, I'm not changing any information. In fact, let's try to do this one more time, guys. If it doesn't work, I'll have to pause the video and I will have to do it at a later time on another day, but usually I'm withdrawing on future Adpro. I mean, these are things that happen. Maybe I paid out. I would have to contact support basically to ask them why this is happening, because technically I'm not changing any information. Future Adpro, going to blah blah blah. So let's change this. Okay, and that's the idea. Payout firm, and it's still telling me the same thing. So let's scroll down. It's the reason why I want to copy this, guys. For a second, I'm just gonna put it in a new tab because I want to see exactly what time. So it was 5:40. 5:40. And this is 15:30. Now I want to go to my wallet, and I want to go to wallet details. Now that makes sense, guys. That makes sense. So it's 2 days later. The withdrawal came in around 4 days late. So because it came in 4 days late, they don't want me to withdraw apparently quite quickly on today's withdrawal for some reason. So I'm just gonna wait, guys. Let's see tomorrow. I will try tomorrow again and to see whether it works. If it doesn't work, then I will withdraw next week just 120 US dollars, and you're gonna see a bigger withdrawal. But guys, every single week there's a withdrawal. This week's withdrawal apparently it's not that it's not happening. It's just that it cannot happen because of some time frame, which apparently I'm not aware of exactly in future Adpro. So I'm going to reach out to support, get more information on that, and give you guys a heads up. But as you can see, money is coming in, and I have done withdrawals every single week. And I've actually withdrawn even from CoinDeal. So it just proves that this works. There's no other reason for it. But I will check the conditions and check everything before I put out another video on the withdrawal next week. So hopefully things go well and you can see. Okay, have a great day. Otherwise, if you want to know the strategy, like I said, it's right here. You can check out the video again, pause it, watch it again, but the strategy remains the same. I have enough for the next month, and this is why I do it in advance and I don't wait till the last moment, but I rather have enough of funds for the next month so I can send traffic and follow this exact strategy. So if I have to wait a few days, it's fine. Future Adpro has never stopped paying me, and I don't think will. So this is just maybe something that I need to clarify, and I will let you guys know on the next video. Okay, have a great day. Hit the subscribe button if you do like the content that you see on this channel. I'm going to see you on the next video.